Hello students, welcome back to MKH video series. My name is Aditya and in the previous video we have successfully done the introduction portion that is required to be done before moving on to exercise 9.3. Now in the previous video I have shown you a theorem which says, you can see theorem 9.2, which says that the triangles on the same base and between same parallels are equal in area. Also, I have shown you there an example which proves a statement that the median of any triangle divides that triangle in two triangles of equal area, right? So keep that in mind, and now I'm moving on to the exercise 9.3. So you can see in exercise 9.3, question number first here is, you can see in the given figure, you can see triangle ABC. E is any midpoint on median AD of triangle ABC. Now you can see on the median of this triangle AD, there is a point E, right? You can see here. So there is a point E on the median of this triangle ABC. It is given to us. Then we have to show that the area of ABE, you can see the triangle formed here, ABE, this triangle. Let me just mark that. So this triangle ABE is equal to the area of triangle ACE, this triangle, right? So आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पे एक मीडियन के ऊपर एक पॉइंट है E जिसके साथ ये दो triangles form हो रहे हैं ABE and ACE, and we have to prove that their area is equal, right? Now, as I have shown you in the previous video with the help of an example, that the median of a triangle divides it into two triangles of equal area. So अगर आप यहाँ पे देखें, मुझे पता है कि AD जो है वो इस ABC ट्राइंगल का क्या है, मीडियन है. That means कि ये जो मीडियन है वो इस पूरे ट्राइंगल को दो ट्राइंगल्स में डिवाइड करेगा. You can see ABD and ACD. Both are going to be equal in area, right? So starting off my solution here. So we know that median of a triangle, let me just write that clear. So median of a triangle divides it into two triangles of equal area, right? This is what we have seen in the previous video. I have proved that. Now, so we can say that area of triangle ABD, let me just put the bracket right, is equal to the area of triangle ACD, right? Now let me just give it equation number first. So अब अगर आप ध्यान से देखें, इस बड़े ट्राइंगल के अंदर एक छोटा ट्राइंगल और फॉर्म हो रहा है, that is EBC, right? So अगर आप ध्यान से देखें तो इस ट्राइंगल EBC के लिए भी ये जो ED है, जो कि एक्सटेंशन है AD मीडियन का, तो ये भी क्या हुई, इस ट्राइंगल की क्या हुई, मीडियन ही कहलाएगी, राइट? Now you can see also in triangle EBC we have ED as the median, right? So यहाँ पे ये ED जो है वो इस ट्राइंगल के लिए मीडियन का काम कर रही है. That means again you can see ये मीडियन भी इस ट्राइंगल को दो इक्वल पार्ट्स में डिवाइड कर देगी, that is EBD and ECD, right? So with the same theorem you can see again we know that area of triangle EBD is going to be equal to the area of triangle ECD, right? So EBD is going to be equal to ECD with the same reason that we know that the median of a triangle divides it in two triangles of equal area, right? You can also write that the same reason in the bracket here, right? So let me just give it equation number second. Now, if you can see here, what we have to prove in this question is that area of triangle ABE is equal to area of triangle ACE. Now, ये जो triangles हैं, क्या मैं ऐसे लिख सकता हूं कि इस पूरे triangle में से ये वाला पार्ट निकाल दूं तो बचेगा ये वाला, एंड इस पूरे triangle में से ये वाला पार्ट निकाल दूं तो बचेगा ये वाला. So this is the same condition forming here कि अगर मैं ऐसे ट्राइंगल ABD में से EBD माइनस कर दूं तो मेरे पास क्या बचेगा, ABE. देन यू कैन सी ACD में से अगर मैं ई सी डी माइनस कर दो तो मेरे पास बचेगा क्या, ए सी ई, राइट, विच इज वी रिक्वायर हियर. सो यहां पे मैं क्या करूंगा, इक्वेशन नंबर सेकंड को फर्स्ट में से सब्ट्रैक्ट करूंगा. सो लेट मी जस्ट चेंज द मार्कर हियर. Subtracting equation number second from equation number first. So we have, let me just tell you that means if अब यहाँ पे मैं लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में से लेफ्ट हैंड साइड माइनस करूंगा और राइट हैंड साइड में से राइट हैंड साइड माइनस करूंगा. यू कैन सी हमें सेकंड इक्वेशन को फर्स्ट में से माइनस करना है. सो लेट मी जस्ट फर्स्ट राइट द फर्स्ट इक्वेशन लेफ्ट हैंड साइड. दैट इज एरिया of triangle ABD minus you can see area of triangle EBD. Then on the right hand side भी मैं same चीज करूंगा, that area of triangle ACD minus area of triangle ECD, right? So आप देख सकते हैं ABD में से अगर मैं EBD माइनस करूंगा so that will be ABE. So that will be area of triangle ABE which is remaining. Then you can see ACD में से अगर मैं ECD माइनस कर दूंगा तो बचेगा क्या, ACE. So that will be area of triangle ACE, right? And this is what we have to prove in this question, that we have to prove that this area of triangle ABE is equal to area of triangle ACE. So remember the steps that I've taken to prove that. That was all you can see required to prove that these triangles are equal in area. So that was all in this question. So students, अब बढ़ते हैं next question की तरफ. That is question number second here, right? So इस question में it is given that in a triangle ABC, E is the midpoint of median AD. So यहाँ पे हमें इस question में diagram जो है वो नहीं given, so हमें diagram जो है वो खुद से बनाना है. So as it is given that there is a triangle ABC, so यहाँ पे मैंने एक triangle ABC draw कर लिया. Then E is the midpoint of median AD. So यहाँ पे ये भी given है कि इस ABC triangle की एक median है AD. So that is also that I have drawn here. Then it is given that E is the midpoint of this median. So यहाँ पे मैंने एक E point ले लिया. Then further we have to show that the area of triangle BED. So यहाँ पे सबसे पहले अगर मुझे BED triangle form करना है, so मुझे B और E को ज्वाइन करना पड़ेगा, राइट? सो यू कैन सी BED, ये जो ट्राइंगल बन रहा है दिस वन, वी हैव टू प्रूव दैट इट्स एरिया इज इक्वल टू 1/4 ऑफ द एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल ABC. दैट मींस द कंप्लीट ट्राइंगल. यानी कि यहाँ पे ये जो ट्राइंगल है इसका एरिया 1/4 है इस कंप्लीट ट्राइंगल ABC के. ये हमें यहाँ पे प्रूव करना है, राइट? सो क्वाइट इजी, जस्ट यू हैव टू पे अटेंशन हियर हाउ आई सॉल्व दिस. सो सबसे पहले, as we know that AD is the median of this greater triangle ABC, so let me just start off my solution with that note, that we know that AD is the median of triangle ABC, and we know that median, let me just change the marker here, of a triangle divides it, let me just correct that, so divides it into two triangles of equal area, right? So ये हमें पता है कि जो मीडियन है वो इस ABC ट्राइंगल को दो इक्वल एरिया वाले ट्राइंगल्स में डिवाइड करेगी. सो दैट इज ABD एंड ACD. सो दिस इंप्लाइज, यू कैन सी एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल ABD is equal to area of triangle ACD. So this is the conclusion that we got from that the median divides it into two equal area triangles, right? So यहाँ पे अगर ये ABD और ACD equal एरिया क्या है, दैट मीन्स कि ये जो ABD है वो इस पूरे ट्राइंगल का क्या है, हाफ होगा, राइट? बिकॉज ये दोनों इक्वल एरिया के हैं. सो दैट इज, वी कैन से दैट area of triangle ABD then will be half of the area of triangle ABC, right? So आप देख सकते हैं ये जो ABD है ये हाफ होगा किसके, ABC के, बिकॉज ये जो मीडियन है वो इस एबीसी को दो इक्वल पार्ट्स में डिवाइड कर रहा है, सो ये एक पार्ट क्या होगा, पूरे ट्रायंगल का हाफ होगा, राइट? सो लेट मी जस्ट गिव इट इक्वेशन नंबर फर्स्ट हियर. सो लेट मी जस्ट राइट इट अ बिट डार्कर so you can see it better. I hope now you can see that. Now you can see हमें यहाँ पे पता चल गया कि ABD जो है वो इस पूरे ट्रायंगल का क्या है, हाफ के इक्वल है, राइट? Now also again if you can see here that this E was given the midpoint of this median AD, right? So अगर यहाँ पे हम इस ABD ट्रायंगल की बात करें, so यहाँ पे ये जो BE है ये भी किसका काम करेगी, मीडियन का ही काम करेगी, बिकॉज यू कैन सी अगर ये BE क्या है, लाइन सेगमेंट है, और E इस AD का मिड पॉइंट है, then that BE will work as a median for this triangle ABD, right? So that means कि ये मीडियन भी इस ABD ट्रायंगल को दो इक्वल पार्ट्स में डिवाइड करेगी. वन इज ABE एंड द अदर वन इज BED, राइट? सो ये दोनों जो है इक्वल एरिया के होंगे. सो लेट मी जस्ट मूव ऑन विद दैट नोट. सो लेट मी जस्ट मेक सम स्पेस फर्स्ट. So now we know that E is the midpoint of AD. So we can say that you can see BE is the median of triangle ABD, right? So let me just write down A here. That is clear. So we know again, so that means that area of triangle ABE will be equal to area of triangle BED, right? So हमें पता है कि मीडियन डिवाइड कर देता है एक ट्रायंगल को दो ट्रायंगल्स में ऑफ इक्वल एरिया. देन अगेन विद दैट रीजन देयर एरिया विल बी इक्वल, राइट? बिकॉज मीडियन जो है इस पूरे ट्रायंगल को दो इक्वल पार्ट्स में डिवाइड कर देगा. नाउ अगर ये दोनों पार्ट्स इक्वल हैं ट्रायंगल के, दैट मीन्स ये BED जो है वो इस ABD का हाफ के इक्वल होगा, लाइक वी हैव डन अर्लियर. सो ऑल्सो we can say that area of triangle BED will be half of area of triangle ABD, right? So ये जो BED है वो इस ABD का हाफ होगा, बिकॉज मीडियन ने दो इक्वल पार्ट्स में डिवाइड कर दिया. सो ये पार्ट जो है हाफ के इक्वल होगा. सो लेट मी जस्ट गिव इट इक्वेशन नंबर सेकंड. नाउ एज वी हैव गॉट टू इक्वेशंस, लेट मी जस्ट मूव फर्दर. So you can see from equation number first हमें पता है कि जो एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल ABD है वो किसके इक्वल है, हाफ ऑफ ABC. सो यहाँ पे अगर आप इस इक्वेशन नंबर सेकंड में इस एरिया ऑफ ABD की जगह क्या रख दें, हाफ ऑफ ABC. सो मैं यहाँ पे क्या करने वाला हूं, इक्वेशन नंबर फर्स्ट से एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल ABD जो है वो सेकंड में ABD की जगह पे सब्स्टिट्यूट करने वाला हूं, राइट? सो लेट मी जस्ट राइट डाउन सब्स्टिट्यूटिंग area of triangle ABD from equation number second, from equation number first into equation number second. So यहाँ पे मैं first equation से area of ABD की वैल्यू half of the area of ABC, second equation में ABD की जगह पे substitute करने वाला हूँ, right? So what will that give me? So you can see that will give me that the area of triangle BED then will be equal to half as it is. Now area of triangle ABD की जगह पे क्या रखूंगा मैं, half of area of triangle ABC, right? So this is how I have substituted that triangle ABD is equal to half of ABC in this equation, right? So ABD की जगह पे मैंने क्या रख दिया, half of ABC. Now you can see this is in multiply. So half into half, you can see 1 into 1 is 1, 2 into 2 is 4, right? So let me just further solve this. So that will be, you can see that the area of triangle BED, so 1 into 1 that is 1, 2 into 2 that is 4, then area of triangle ABC. So this is what we have to prove here, that ये जो BED triangle है that will be 1/4 of the triangle of area ABC, right? So I hope you have understood how I have come to this conclusion by taking the steps here. So the steps are quite important, so keep that in mind. So this is how you can solve such type of questions. So students, अब बढ़ते हैं next question की तरफ. So you can see question number 3 here is that show that the diagonals of a parallelogram divide it into 4 triangles of equal area. So again यहाँ पे इस question का भी हमें diagram जो है वो given नहीं है. We have to draw that diagram. So you can see यहाँ पे as it is given that we have to take a parallelogram. So you can see ABCD is a parallelogram that I have taken here. Then we have to draw the diagonals of that. So AC and BD joining the opposite points here give me 2 diagonals AC and BD which are intersecting at a point O as I have shown here. Now we have to show that the diagonals of a parallelogram divide it into 4 triangles of equal area. So जैसे कि आप देख सकते हैं इन दोनों diagonals की वजह से यहाँ पे 4 triangles बन रहे हैं. You can see 1, 2, 3 and 4. The one is AOB, BOC, COD and DOA. And we have to prove that the area of all the 4 triangles forming here is equal, right? So यहाँ पे हमें चारों जो triangles form हो रहे हैं with the help of the diagonals, उनका area क्या prove करना है? Equal prove करना है. So how we will do it? Just you have to observe it carefully. So सबसे पहली चीज यहाँ पे मैं 4 triangles लूंगा and first thing, the important thing is that the diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. We know this is the property of a parallelogram. That means कि ये AO जो है that is going to be equal to OC and BO is going to be equal to OD. यानी कि ये AO और OC equal है, BO और OD equal है. That means ये जो O है ये AC और BD दोनों का midpoint है. That's why they are going to be equal in length, right? So this is the first thing that we know. So let me just write down that O is the midpoint of AC and BD diagonals. The reason is since we know that diagonals of parallelogram bisect each other. So they bisect each other. That is, you can see AO is equal to OC and BO is equal to OD. Or you can say O is the midpoint. Right? So this is the reason here. So we can see that O is the midpoint of both the diagonals here. So अब यहाँ पे मैं 4 triangles लूंगा. Let me just mark them first. That which are the 4 triangles that I'm going to take here. So यहाँ पे सबसे पहले मैं triangle लूंगा ABC, right? So सबसे पहले मैं यहाँ पे in triangle ABC we have. So यहाँ पे ABC triangle के अंदर मुझे पता है that BO जो है ये क्या होगी? मीडियन होगी इस ट्रायंगल की, क्योंकि मुझे पता है ये O जो है मिड पॉइंट है AC का. And we know that the median BO has touching the base of the triangle at that point which is the midpoint of that opposite side. So यहाँ पे अगर O midpoint है, that means BO is the median of this triangle ABC. So we know that BO is the median. So that means कि ये जो दोनों triangles हैं, they are going to be equal in area. So how we will write that? AOB is going to be equal to BOC. So area of triangle AOB is going to be equal to area of triangle BOC. Let me just give it as equation number first. अब यहाँ पे further जो next triangle मैं लेने वाला हूँ, that is BCD, right? So यहाँ पे जो दूसरा triangle मैं ले रहा हूँ, that is BCD. So in triangle BCD we have again, अगर मैं इस BCD triangle की बात करूं, so यहाँ पे CO जो है that will be the median here again because हमें पता है कि ये BD side का O जो है midpoint है. So that means जो CO है वो क्या होगा? Median होगा. So CO is median of this triangle. So you can say, let me just make some space first. So this implies you can say कि ये जो दोनों triangles हैं इनका एरिया आपस में क्या होगा equal, because we know that the median divides a triangle into two equal triangles, right? So that means BOC is going to be equal to COD, right? COD and BOC both will have equal areas. So area of BOC triangle is going to be equal to the area of triangle COD, right? So both the triangles will have equal area. So let me just give it equation number second. Now the third triangle which I'm going to take here is, you can see this triangle ACD, right? So in triangle ACD we have, now मुझे पता है कि इस ACD triangle में ये जो DO है ये मीडियन का काम कर रही है, because O is the midpoint of AC. That means जो DO है वो क्या हो गया, मीडियन हो गया. So DO is the median of triangle ACD. So that means कि ये जो दोनों triangles हैं इनका एरिया आपस में क्या होगा, इक्वल, because median divides a triangle into two equal triangles, right? So that means that COD, this triangle is going to be equal to AOD, right? So let me just write down, this implies area of triangle COD is going to be equal to the area of triangle AOD, right? So that will be equation number third. So आप देख सकते हैं COD और AOD दोनों का एरिया क्या हो गया, आपस में equal. And finally, the last triangle, the fourth triangle which I'm going to take here is ABD, right? So that will be the last triangle. So in triangle ABD we have, so आप देख सकते हैं इस triangle ABD के अंदर AO जो है वो क्या है, मीडियन का काम कर रही है, right? So let me just tell you that AO is the median of triangle ABD. So यानी कि अगर ये AO मीडियन है, because O जो है वो मिड पॉइंट है BD का, so AO क्या हो गया, मीडियन होगा. That means ये दोनों ट्राइंगल का एरिया जो है that will be equal, because we know that the median divides a triangle into equal triangles, right? So that will give me, you can see, area of triangle AOD, let me just correct that, equal to the area of triangle AOB, right? So this will be equation number 4. So you can see we have derived 4 equations from these 4 triangles that we have taken. So if you just compare on all the 4 equations, so you will find out that AOB is equal to BOC, then AOB is also equal to AOD. That means BOC and AOD are also equal. Then you can see BOC is equal to COD and COD is equal to AOD. That means both BOC and AOD are equal to COD. That means they are also equal, right? So BOC and AOD are equal, and that will be also equal to AOD. So overall, you can see from all the equation we will get that all the 4 triangles are equal in area to each other, right? So this is what we need here to prove. So this implies from equation number 1st, 2nd, 3rd and 4th, we have, you can see, area of triangle AOB equal to area of triangle BOC equal to area of triangle COD equal to area of triangle AOD, right? And this is what we have to prove here, that the diagonals of a parallelogram divide it into 4 triangles of equal area, as you can see here, right? So remember the steps that I've taken, and that's how you can prove such type of questions.